Okay, let's play to Hue Flowing by Daflyffypotato. I don't know what to do, but okay, it seems that the world is building up while I am moving. I can jump, I don't know if I got don't know what is the purpose of this game. Here there are some arrows, maybe I have to go up here. I don't know. Graphic is always cool, as we are used by the Fluffy Potato, that is kind of genius of pygame. I should have looked at some instructions or something. Try to find if there is a button that does anything, but I don't think so. This is one of those games that the Fluffy Potato makes for challenges to make a game into a few hours. Maybe I can go up, as I've seen some in a little GIF, animated GIF. I can climb these things here. Not so much. Still I haven't understood the meaning of this game, and maybe it's to find some exit, something like this. I think that these arrows indicating that I have to go up have some meanings. Let's see if I can go here. Don't wanna fall down too, because I think I'm gonna maybe die if I fall down. I think that a Fluffy Potato will make a very nice game that will become a hit very soon. I know he's working to something very interesting, and he's making progress on what he's working on. We still haven't seen a demo or anything like that. At least I don't know this. Okay, you can do a double jump also. Okay, there is a sign up there that indicates that I can go up, perhaps. Oops, I think I died. But I don't know how I can go up if there is not another wall to climb onto. Let me see here, there should be two walls. Perhaps here I have finished okay, this is maybe the end of the map, maybe. Let's see if I can jump here and there, perhaps. The games of the Fluffy Potato are always so difficult. Okay, I found something. And now, I don't know if I can jump more than before. Perhaps I can do a triple jump for that thing that I have reached up there. Now, maybe I can reach some. I can go up here. This is the top, I think. I don't think I can go. Okay, now I can jump almost a lot of time, repeatedly, maybe. I think. As I can see here, at least horizontally, I can jump always. No, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 1, 2, a triple jump, I think I can call it. Oops. Okay, now I got a triple jump. Let's go up here and see where we are going. I think we like that. Oops. Dying. Yeah, it's very nice, very colorful. Yeah. I should discover something up here. But so I can jump 1, 2, 3, and then if I find a wall or something, I can jump again. 1, 2, 3, but I can find. No. Okay, have we all? Not go more than this. No. I don't know, this is the highest way I can. Okay, definitely fleeing. Okay, here I cannot go up more than this, so I don't know where else I could do. So for the moment, I think I will stop here because I'm stuck, and let me see if I can. Okay, grab to the wall. If I press the left button, I can slide on the wall. And so I do not fall through. Okay. So maybe with this technique I could reach some other place maybe. But okay. That's all for the moment. I don't think I can. I must read the instruction.